Good day to everyone. In this presentation, I would like to explain about my project functionality and project features briefly. As an introduction, I would like to explain about what my title of the project is about. Gas leakage detection system based on effective sensor placement in factory setting using IoT. Gas leakage detection system refers to a system which uses gas sensors which detects gas leakage, which is high pressurized gas which stored in a container in a facility. Effective sensors placement in a factory setting is referred as how effective a sensor is detecting gas leak in the factory environment. There are many factories which uses hazardous or flammable gases for manufacturing process. Among the industry which uses gases such as cooking industry which uses LPG, chemical industry to store deadly chemicals, welding industry using hydrogen and acetylene gas. IoT refers to Internet of Things, is revolutionary. Now, as this era of technology enables users to control everything using mobile phone and using internet, all the possibilities are in touch of a fingertips. So, based on my title I choose, the human health and safety. Poison and explosive are the main hazard caused by gas leakage in industrial environment. For example, on 25th December 2020, as the latest news, 3 out of 6 sewage workers in sewage plant Pantai Dalam was died due to respiratory problems. Then the hazmat team went in and detected that the ammonia gas concentration is way higher and deadly. Another example is Sungai Kim Kim River incident. This happened on 7th March 2019, which caused by illegal chemical waste dumping. And the dumping released toxic fumes affecting 6,000 people nearby Pasir Gudang, Johor. These are the examples of why gas detection system is important for the safety of the human. These incidents can route us to next problem, which is the important parameter which require to fulfill the most crucial in sensing the gas sensing system. So the sensitivity and detection range is the most crucial parameters in sensor placement in factory setting. For solving the problem, few objectives must be achieved. Our first objective is to design a gas leakage detection system in a factory setting. Then the next objective is to develop a prototype of the system with a mobile monitoring system. The last objective is to analyze the effectiveness of sensor placing based on parameters in factory settings. As for our method of executing the gas leakage detection system, first Arduino Uno is used as the brain of the project. Then 4 types of gas sensors are used to detect 4 types of gas. They are MQ4 for detect methane gas, MQ6 for detect LPG gas, MQ8 for detect hydrogen gas, and MQ135 sensor for detect ammonia gas. The gas sensors are calibrated according to sensor datasheet to obtain the result intended. Then the implementation of IoT in this prototype is achieved by using ESP8266 and Blink application. The ESP8266 is a low-cost Wi-Fi microchip with a full TCP/IP stack and microcontroller capability. This enables us to connect Arduino Uno to Blink app cloud server. The data which is PPM reading from sensors are processed and sent to Blink cloud server using ESP8266. Then the server data is fetched by mobile application and displayed in mobile application, which is Blink. This is all happen in real time. After the project is developed, it's time to test and analyze the outcome. The gas sensors are placed in a room with a dimension of 4.25 meter width, 3.25 meter length and 3 meter height. When the gas sensor is tested with different range, the sensors are placed 0.5 meter, 1 meter and 1.5 meter range away from the gas leak source. The graph shows that when the range is 0.5, the ppm reading of the sensor is higher, which is between 100 to 600 ppm. ppm is particle per million. When the range is in 1 meter, the particle per million reading is reduced dramatically, which is between 20 to 150 particle per million. As we see the third graph, we can see that the ppm reading is relatively low, which is 0 to 10 ppm. This can conclude that the range of gas sensor is influencing the ppm value of the gas sensor reading. Thus decided that the placement of the gas sensor is crucial between 0.5 meter and 1 meter range for effective detection. For example, if the ppm reading of a deadly gas is 300 ppm, it indicates that the room is filled with 0.00003%, less than a 1% with the deadly particle in the room. As the conclusion, the gas leakage detection system using IoT is developed. The prototype enables users to detect and locate gas leakage where the hazardous gas is present and also able to send notification to the user. As we can see, the project features, the prototype is built into an ABS junction box, which makes it compact. The layout which chosen is chemical storage factory. Then the layout is scaled down to the ratio of 1 to the 50 scale and built using cardboard. The sensors then placed in the location nearby the source as the illustration of the real location. The blink application enables us to monitor the gas leakage in real time. The sensor readings are pushed to the blink server and fetched by blink application every 2 seconds. The widgets used in blink application are superchart and gauge for make monitoring easy. The superchart will produce graphical view of gas leak events and the gauge is used to show the user the real-time value of ppm in real time. The superchat functions also as log incident for future reference. The log incident can be saved and downloaded by sending data to email option in superchat menu. Then we can analyze the previous incident for further investigation. The Blink app is set to send notification and alert the user if certain threshold is detected by gas sensors. Finally, as for the product potential of commercialization, the product can be used in industrial use. The sensor can detect and locate gas leakage and also can monitor gas level in real time. This can save many lives of workers in future. That's all for my poster presentation. Next, I will show my prototype demonstration. Thank you. Good day everyone. My name is Laxmiganthan and today I would like to explain about my project. This is my project layout and then this is a layout of chemical storage facility. This is scaled down to 1 to 50 ratio, and first I would like to show you this is my prototype. The prototype is made of Arduino Uno ESP8266 and this is my PCB. And then from this PCB I have connected to my sensors. So this is MQ135, MQ6, MQ4 and MQ8 sensors.
as I on the sensor, it will connected to Blink server, and this is my Blink server application. As we can see, this is monitoring. So if we gas is released, so if we spray this area, so this will indicate our chemical storage gas leak. So this is chemical storage. So if we spray over here, so with different kind of gas, it will show us the notification where the gas is leaking. That's all for my demonstration. Thank you.